Hello everyone. So today we will solve the SSC JEE paper previous year world geography questions. Okay. So here we start. The first question is that which of the following options represent the correct ascending order of the planets in our solar system on the basis of their density? So option number D is there on the basis of the ascending orders of the planets according to the density the Uranus, Jupiter, and Neptune. So Neptune has high density over Jupiter, and Jupiter have high density over Uranus. So this is a table for average density of the planets. You can see the values also of the density of the planets. The second question is that the average length of a solar cycle is. The answer is 11 years. So the amount of magnetic flux that rises up to the sun's surface varies with time in a cycle called the solar cycle. The cycle lasts 11 years on average. This cycle is sometimes referred to as sun-spot cycle. The next question. The mean distance between the sun and the earth is approximately, the answer is 149.6 million kilometer, means 14 crore 96 lakh kilometer. The next question is that Hyperion is the name of the one of the moons of. The answer is Saturn. So this is the Hyperion. You can read here in Wikipedia also. Refer to Wikipedia. The longest duration of the year happen on which of the following planet? So answer is Neptune. So you can see here the planets, which is far, which is near. Okay. Which among the following is the largest asteroid? Answer is Ceres. Ceres is the largest asteroid. These four are the largest asteroids. You can see here Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygiea. Asteroids have their orbits between which of the following planets? The answer is Mars and Jupiter. Which of the following planet is also known as gas giant? The answer is Jupiter. These planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are the gas giant planets. A gas giant planet composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. The tectonic plate is located between South America and Pacific plates. So the Nazca tectonic plate is located between the South America and Pacific plate. You can see in the diagram the Nazca plate is there between Pacific plate. According to the continental drift theory, all the continents formed a single continental mass named. The answer is Pangaea. According to continental drift theory, all the continents formed a single continental mass surrounded by a mega ocean named. The answer is Panthalassa. So Panthalassa, also known as Panthalassic Ocean or Panthalassian Ocean, was the super ocean that surrounded the supercontinent Pangaea. Which of the following is a major tectonic plate? Answer is Pacific plate. You can see in this diagram the plates, that North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Indian plate, Arabian plate. The tectonic planet dash is located between the Philippines and Indian plate. The answer is Caroline. The approximate average density of Earth is 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. One astronomical unit represents the mean distance between Earth and Sun. Lithosphere is the rigid top layer of the Earth. So there are some layers: lithosphere, after that mesosphere, asthenosphere, and outer core, inner core. The top part is crust, and between mantle and last part is the core. What is the second most abundant element on Earth's crust? The answer is silicon. So this is a diagram for most abundant element in the Earth's crust. So oxygen is there, and silicon. After that, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Which of the following layers is called barysphere? The answer is Earth. Most internal layer is called barysphere. So interior of the Earth beneath the lithosphere, including both the name mantle and the core. Which of the following places is located near the equator? The answer is Pygmalion Point. Where is the duration of the day and night on Earth are almost the equal? The answer is at the equator. Which imaginary line located at 0 degree latitude divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere? So answer is equator. Through which of the following countries does the Tropic of Capricorn pass? So options are Australia, Brazil, Chile, and many more like Paraguay, Argentina, France, Botswana, Australia, Madagascar, Mozambique, South Africa, Tonga, and Namibia. Which type of rock is formed when magma cools and solidifies? They are igneous rocks. Granite is the igneous rocks. This is granite. Dash is a process by which already consolidated rocks undergoes recrystallization and reorganization of materials within original rocks. So the metamorphism is that process. You can read also in Hindi. Okay. So these are the metamorphic zones. Metamorphism is a common along most plates boundaries like this. Okay, so the temperature differences are there. So low temperature, high temperatures. Okay. Marble is what type of rock? So marble is a metamorphic type of rock. Which of the following is a sedimentary rock? Answer is shale. This is shale rock type. Shale is a fine-grained class sedimentary rock composed of mud that is mix of flakes of clay minerals and tiny fragments of other minerals like quartz and calcite. Which of the following is not an organic sedimentary rock? Answer is sandstone. How many seismic stations are required to locate the epicenter of an earthquake? The answer is 3. 3 seismic stations are required. So to locate the epicenter of an earthquake, the scientist must have seismographs from at least 3 seismic stations. The procedure for locating an epicenter has 3 steps. Scientists find the difference between the arrival times of the primary and secondary waves at each of the 3 stations. Who invented the world's first earthquake detector? The answer is Zhang Heng. Which of the following terms is used in India for a tract of land lying between two confluent rivers? The option is C. Doab. Means the land between two rivers is Doab. Among the following water bodies, which one has the highest salinity? So Lake Vane is have highest salinity. This is Lake Van. So it is the largest lake in eastern Turkey, lies in the far east of Turkey in the provinces of Van and Bitlis. In which state of India is the world's largest basaltic meteor impact crater located? Answer is Maharashtra. That is a lunar lake. The only one interesting spot in the humble Buldhana district of Maharashtra is 50,000-year-old lunar crater lake. Okay. Which of the following lakes was formed as a result of meteor crashing into Earth during the Pleistocene epoch? So Lunar Lake, you can see here in the previous one question. So the atmosphere only contains what percentage of total global carbon? Answer is 1%. Stratolite is the high altitude airship positioned in the stratosphere. All changes in climate and weather takes place in which layer of the atmosphere? The answer is troposphere. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? The answer is stratosphere. Radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by which layer of the atmosphere? The answer is ionosphere. What is the yellow revolution in India associated with? The answer is oil seeds. Which of the following local winds is also called doctor winds? Harmattan. So Harmattan is the doctor wind. Which among the following is a cold dry wind? The answer is Bora. What is the rain that is produced from the lifting of moist air over a mountain called? So answer is orographical rainfall. Dash is a situation when there is a prolonged period of inadequate rainfall marked with maldistribution of the same over time and space. Answer is meteorological drought. What is called the coastal part of water bodies of the ocean which is structurally part of the mainland of the continents? That is continental shelf. Transpiration would be minimum when there is high humidity. What is the name of mid-latitude grassland in South America? That is Pampas. The Blue Nile River originates from which of the following lakes? The Lake Tana. Which of the following is known as Islands of Pearls? Answer is Bahrain. The only country in the world whose flag is not a square or rectangle, that is Nepal. Which among the following countries has the world's largest reserves of uranium? The answer is Australia. North-south length of India is 3200 kilometers. Which neighboring country of India measures prosperity by gauging its citizens' happiness level? So answer is Bhutan. Order-Neisse line is a boundary between which of the following countries? So Order-Neisse line is boundary between the Germany and the Poland. Some boundaries are here like Radcliffe line, you know better, India between India and Pakistan. Durand line, Pakistan Afghanistan. McMahon line, 24th parallel. Hindenburg line, Order-Neisse line, Mannerheim line, Maginot line, Siegfried line, 7th parallel, 30th parallel line, 49th parallel. You can read all the boundary line between two countries. These are important boundary lines. So, with which of the following countries does Meghalaya share its border? Bangladesh. How many islands are there in a Lakshadweep? So, 36 islands are there. At which of the following hills the Eastern Ghats joins Western Ghats? The answer is Nilgiri Hills. Palghat joins which of the following states? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Yumthang Valley is located in Sikkim state of India. Sambalpur is situated on the bank of which of the following rivers? The answer is Mahanadi. The mountain range that runs between Narmada and Tapti rivers is Satpura range. Which among the following is the oldest mountain range of India? The answer is Aravalli. These are Aravalli ranges. In which state is Guru Shikhar peak located? The answer is Rajasthan. This is Guru Shikhar peak. Where is located Arakonam Yoma range? So answer is Myanmar. The Khardung La Pass is associated with which mountain range? Answer is Ladakh. This is Khardung La Pass. The Fotu La Pass is located in which of the following ranges of the Himalayas? Answer is Jaskar. This is Fotu La Pass. You can read here through Wikipedia, and when you will see the photo, then you can remember easily. Which of the following passes connects Sikkim with China? Answer is Nathu La Pass. Duncan Pass is located between which of the following? Answer is Southern Andaman and Little Andaman. The Dudhsagar waterfall on a Goa-Karnataka border is formed by which river? So Mandavi river is there. What is the new name of Jog or Garasopa waterfall? So answer is Mahatma Gandhi waterfall. The man-made reservoir Gobind Sagar located in Bilaspur is situated in which of the following states? So Gobind Sagar reservoir is there in Himachal Pradesh. Which river is known as Sangpo in Tibet and Jamuna in Bangladesh? So answer is Brahmaputra. What is the name of Brahmaputra river in Tibet? Sangpo. Which of the following Indian rivers discharge its water in the Arabian Sea? So answer is Tapi. In India, which of the following rivers of the Indus river system is well known as the habitats of dolphins? So river Beas is the right answer. Next is which of the following Indian rivers discharge its water in the Arabian Sea? So Tapi is there. Repeated question. Dash is a distributary of river Jhelum. So Pohru river is there. At which of the following towns the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi combines to form river Ganga? Answer is Dev Prayag. Which is the longest river bridge in India? So Mahatma Gandhi Setu. Dash Dam is located over the Kaveri river in Tamil Nadu. So Mettur Dam is there. This is Mettur Dam. The Nagarjuna Sagar project is constructed on the which of the following rivers? Krishna river. Nathpa Jhakri Hydel Power Project is located on which of the following rivers? Answer is Satluj. Dash Dam was constructed across the Parakar River in Jharkhand? The answer is Tilaiya. Mahatma Gandhi Hydropower Project is situated on which waterfall? The answer is Jog waterfall. Bhavani Sagar Dam or Lohar Bhavani Dam is located in which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following states receive the highest rainfall during winter months? Tamil Nadu. Which of the following crops is suitable for wetland farming? The answer is rice. Cotton is cultivated in northern Indian states during the winter cropping season. Cotton. The Kharif cropping season is from June to September. Spices are grown mostly in Malabar coast. Which of the following crops is suitable for dryland farming? The answer is ragi. Which one of the following is referred to as the gold mine of timber? The answer is Andaman Islands. The Jaid cropping season is from, the answer is April to June. Which of the following minerals is contained in the monazite sands? The answer is thorium. The Rabi cropping season is from, so the answer is October to March. So this is in Hindi. You can read the Rabi's crop and Kharif crops, the Jaid crops. You can remember the months and you can remember which crop is cultivated on which time. Which of the following is the largest producer of cardamom in India? It's cardamom. So the Kerala is the right answer. Which of the following ports is the first port that was developed after independence in Gujarat state? So that is a Kandla. Which of the following places in India has offshore petroleum reserves? Mumbai High. The thermal power plant in Tamil Nadu is located in Neyveli. Which of the following is the major copper producing country? Chile. It's according to Geological Survey of India, the state with highest graphite deposits in India is, the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. National Institute of Oceanography is located at Panaji. Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Plant VISL is located in Karnataka, which is India first global telecom city in the following. The answer is Bangalore. Which of the following is an east coast port? So answer is Haldia. Market gardening comes in the category of horticulture. Which of the following ports is located on the eastern coast of the India? Answer is Kamarajar. With which of the following states or union territories does Haryana not share its border? J&K. In which year Nagaland was created as separate states? Answer is 1963. Which of the following pairs of nuclear plants of India it's correctly matched. So Kakrapara is located in Gujarat. The biggest island in the Indian Ocean is, the answer is Madagascar. 9-degree channel separates Lakshadweep and Minicoy. Rings of Saturn are made up of, answer is dust. The term knife refers to core of the earth. So what is the meaning of knife? It is the innermost layer surrounding the earth's center. The core is separated from the mantle by Gutenberg discontinuity. It is composed mainly of iron and nickel. So Ni and Fe. A layer of earth made up of mixed metals and silicates, it's called mantle. You can see it is between the crust and the core. A deep or trench in the ocean floor, it's called, answer is trough. Steppe grassland, it's found in the Russia. Savanna grassland in Brazil are called, answer is campos. The process by which soil deposits through compaction turn into rocks, it's called, answer is lithification. The term epicenter is associated with, the answer is earthquake. Mount St. Helens is an active stratovolcano located in which of the following countries? The answer is USA. Jet aircraft fly through the lower stratosphere. So thank you here. So we will do the next topic of non-technical SSC like polity, either history. Okay, thank you.